Crypto Bros, in this video I'm gonna show you how to register on MEXC Global Exchange, and also I'm gonna show you how you can get your bonus up to 9,000 USD for your initial deposit, so that you get the knowledge how to operate on the platform. And remember, this is for complete beginners, so let's just start without further ado. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the description of this video, and this will get you to a landing page, Crypto Costa and MEXC Global. And now you can see you want to create your account, and this link gets you basically up to 9,100 USD bonus, so make sure to use the link. And the next thing what you want to do is basically put your email and password. I'm gonna do it and get back to you in a couple seconds. Alright, so now you can see I've already confirmed my email after putting the email and password, and like you can see I'm already registered on MEXC. Like you can see you get several bonuses. So there's net deposit bonus for deposit over 500 USD, you basically get 10 USD for free, and spot trading volume over 3k you can get 20 USD BTC airdrop and 30 USD BTC airdrop for different activities. So you can get in the first event up to 100 USD with the link that I get you in the description. So the second thing that I want to show you, when you are already registered on MEXC, you want to click on security, right? This is very important. Like you can see the current account risk level is high because I just created this account. So what you want to do is first, of course, do mobile verification. This is the first thing that you have to do. You basically click enable, you put your phone number, and every time something happens you will need to confirm your withdrawal, for example, with your phone number, SMS. And next thing what you want to do is MEXC or Google Authenticator. You also need to set this up. If you don't have it yet, make sure to set it up. It also makes your account safer. The next thing you want to do, anti-phishing code, also very important. You can see this protects against phishing attacks, so make sure to set it up. And here you can also check security activity, so you can see what happens, where happens based on IP addresses. Basically when you click here, this is your basically main dashboard, so you can see a total value of your cryptos. You can deposit, transfer, withdraw. So if you want to deposit any crypto, you basically click here, you click any token that you want, right? Some of your small caps may not be available here, but let's say you want to deposit USDT. Next thing that you want to do, you want to select a chain that you want to use, right? So for example, if you want to use BEP20, you basically click it and click to generate the address, and that's going to generate the address. You copy the address, you paste it to the place from which you want to send it from, and then you're free, you're able to deposit on MEXC exchange. Once you have deposited your cryptos into MEXC Global, you are going to have it in your spot wallet. If you're willing to trade futures, you need to transfer these funds from spot wallet into a futures account, right? And basically you click here, transfer, and then you will get it to your futures wallet. And if you are willing to withdraw your funds, of course, read the following information carefully, but basically what you want to do is you paste your address that you want to withdraw to, and you select a network. Make sure to select a proper network, then you select a amount, and you are free to submit your withdrawal. Of course, remember, if you set up a couple things for your security, like email verification, you're gonna be required to put this in, or Google Authenticator, and whatever it is, you will have to put it here, especially while withdrawing, because this protects your account. So currently on MEXC you get 0 maker fees. Basically you pay no commission for maker fees, alright? There are also taker fees, but if you are trading on maker fees, there is 0%. And that's it. After this, you are ready to go, you're ready to trade, you're ready to use the exchange, the platform. Basically, one more thing, futures, make sure to check this out. This is very interesting. Basically for nothing, just for trading, you get part into some airdrops, you can get different projects for free, so make sure to check this out. And if you are more into trading, make sure to check this video that pops out right here, and that gets you more knowledge, more information about trading on MEXC, on how to do futures, how to operate on the platform. My favorite, you can watch a video where I told you about my favorite indicators and my favorite trading strategies. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.